No, that's not a jump. Get out here and do a jump. Come on. Climb on top. Good girl. Can you jump? Jump. No, that's not a jump. You did a great jump. Oh, August. August, nice try. All right, don't jump on your brother. Hold on, Elsa. Here, come here. Hold on, let me fix it. And let's make sure we get August out of the way. August, come here. All right. Elsa, stand up. That was not a jump. Here, let me fix it. Oh wait. Man down. All right, Elsa, come here. Can you get on the step? Get on the stairs. Go on. My coordinated daughter. Go on. Get on. Get on. Elsa, can you jump in the ball pit? Go jump. All right, let's see you. Jump. August wants to try so bad. Uh-oh, someone's gonna get hurt. And it's probably gonna be the little man. Elsa, jump in the ball pit. Good girl, jump! Woo! That was kind of a jump, yay! Let's do it again. Do it again. No, you gotta get up on the stairs. You gonna go sliding, August? You gonna slide? Slide! They like to take their time. Slide! Woo! Alright, Elsa, go jump. Go jump. No. Good jump fail. Elsa, get on the stairs and take a jump. No, Elsa, get on the... This is a good way to burn some calories. Get on the stairs. Good girl. Good girl. Jump. Here, let me push the stairs closed. All right, get on the stairs. Get on the stairs. Get on the stairs. Jump. Ah! Oh my gosh. Hello, August. Oh. Okay. August, you gotta jump. Jump. Yeah, jump. We gotta jump in. Uh-oh. This is how you know they're my children. Totally uncoordinated. All right, August, jump in. No, not down.